Ciao Italia. I'm really, really happy and excited about the warm reception that the Italian audience made for the release of The Substance. It's been incredible to see so many of you go and see the movie and enjoying the experience. I want to thank all the team of eWonder Pictures because they really support the movie for cinemas. And I think the movie is a cinematic experience, and I'm happy that you were able to enjoy. I'm also happy you managed to experience the extremely talented performance of Demi Moore and Margaret Qualley, who do a fantastic job in creating this movie with me. And I hope you will still be many, many more to go to the cinema and let me know what you think about the film. Viva il cinema, viva Italia. Ciao.
Cominciamo!